and welcome back to a new video. So about make token or Mepass app. If you've never joined or you don't know anything about this app, please give me your ears, listen to this video, watch until the end because it's worth it, guys. Right now as I speak, I haven't checked now, but you're gonna check together. How much is make token? How much is make token? And if you register for the first time, they're gonna give you one MEC token. So let us check how much is one MEC token first. Let us check how much it is. To know, or if you want to go to the P2P market, click on this explore button. We have the explore button right here. Let me show you. We have the explore button is right here, right? So if you tap on the explore button right here, you'll be able to log into P2P market, whereby you can sell, you can also buy if you want. So if you click on explore, you'll be able to see me transaction and unicorn. So for now, we are going to focus on me transactions. So me transactions are provided by node communities for the traded exchange for make. So if we tap on it, it will be able to take me to my own account. If you are new, you've never accessed it, you're gonna go to your browser. So I'm gonna use Chrome for this. You can use any browser you have, but for now I'm going to use Chrome. So let us go to Chrome. Let me show you how you're gonna connect your P2P market so that you'll be able to access it anytime. And if maybe you take some hours to log in, you'll need to log in every day or every time for security purpose. So I'm going to show you how. Let us just wait for the page to load because my network is kind of slow. So you can see, notice login invalid, please log in again. So we're gonna log in again. Okay, we're gonna log in again. So this is how you log in. You can see this one. Okay, you can see this and this, all of them. Okay, so we're gonna use this use Mepass option. Guys, I hope you are seeing what I'm doing so that you do exactly what I do, so that you don't come up with the same questions that I've answered here. I will tell you to go watch the video. Okay, so you're gonna click on Mepass. Even if it is the first time you're connecting the account, connect it through Mepass because already you are verified. And let me tell you something. So we're gonna go for security. So these people, they have added more security. Like you have to go through many verifications. My network is really messing. So guys, as you can see now, account is authorized, it is successful. So I'm gonna click on connect. That is the same thing you should be doing. So guys, after logging into your P2P market, you can see right here it is p2p.com. Okay, just the way I showed you guys. You can see the price right now. So this is why I'm telling you guys not to miss this opportunity. Don't miss this opportunity. See the price now. One MEC token is equal to is equal to this amount, 7.3274 USDT or dollars. You can see it, guys. It is right here. Okay, so you can see you can sell, you can buy. So for example, if you want to keep more or you want to add more from the one you have been given, you can go ahead and buy. If you click on buy, you will be able to see traders who are selling. Okay, if you want to sell the earned one, you're gonna click on sell option here and you sell. I've done a video while doing live withdrawal. I might put the video or the video link on the comment section. All the links, the link to this app and the code that you need to register with I'm gonna put them on the link on the not description. I'm going to put on the comment section. Please listen to me. All the videos I'll be putting on the comment section. Okay, so make sure you check on the comment section once you have watch the video in order to register and follow the instructions. Okay, I'm also going to put our WhatsApp group link. Join WhatsApp group link because that is where I post most of the updates. Okay, when I'm busy I cannot make a video. For example, the whole 7 days I've not made I didn't make any video, and I was just sharing the information or the updates with the group members. So make sure you join the group. The link will be on the comment section too. So guys, you can see this is what I wanted to share with you. If right now the coin price is 7.3 something, right? Let us see. Okay, it is 3.2, and imagine there are those people joined when right now it is 7.32, and there are those people who joined when one MEC token was 10 cents. So you can imagine how much these people made. And the good thing is, for the first time when you register, they're gonna give you free 1 MEC token for free. And this 1 MEC token, I'm gonna show you where it is going to be staked, so that on a daily basis or anytime you can go ahead and take the rewards. Okay, and the minimal amount you are allowed to withdraw is 0.1 MEC token. This is what I'm talking about, 0.1 MEC. Okay, you're allowed to withdraw up to 0.1 MEC token. That is the minimum amount you can withdraw. Don't ask me how much that is. If you do that, if you're withdrawing, you'll be able to see. And when you're withdrawing, make sure you check on the limit and the price of the trader. Okay, you can see, check the price. Actual price is this one. You know that all these traders, they have their own price. If you are somebody who has interacted with crypto, you know what I'm talking about. P2P is allowed, like you're free. If you're a trader, you are free to do or to put your own price apart from the actual price. This is the actual price. You can see in the last 24 hours it has decreased, to mean with 1%, to mean it was higher than this yesterday. Okay, so these are the prices. The actual price is 7.3, but the people selling, you can see their prices. So pay attention to the limit, the price, the notes. Check if the person is accepting which exchange. This one is accepting only Binance. This one is accepting Binance, Bybit, Bitgate, Fast Payment, Safe, Secure. So you follow the instructions. I'm going to link the video where I was doing withdrawal, as I've said earlier, on the comment section. Make sure I'm going to identify it, so just make sure you go watch it in order to learn all these things I'm talking about. Okay, if you're somebody who has done crypto, you know how to trade, you can as well post your own ads. You can see, you'll see my ads and my transactions. I have done withdrawal more than 4 times on this particular app, guys. Okay, so if you register for the first time, they're gonna reward you. So let me share with you more details how you're gonna earn more and how you'll be getting your rewards on a daily basis. Now that I've shown you how you can sell the rewards you have been given and how you can access the market. Okay, so now let us go back to the Mepass app so that I can show you more ways of earning more and how to get the staked 1 MEC token that you are going to be given after you have done verification. Listen to me. You are only being given this 1 MEC token after you've done verification. You do verification. Okay, let me show you where you do the verification. Registering, or after clicking the link, they will take you where you're supposed to download the right app. If you use the link I'm gonna put on the description of the video, not description, I mean comment section. Okay, so it's gonna land you to where you're supposed to download the app. After you downloaded the app, they're gonna tell you to log in. Okay, so we have staking, we have check-in, we have invitation and show the you can see there is this one saying here, claim 0.3 month, make every month. Yeah, as for me, I'm being paid every month my dividend because I joined when it was it was around $3. By the way, I joined Make Token when it was $3, and now it has increased with $4 more since I joined. It's only that I used to withdraw, but right now I'm not gonna withdraw. I'm gonna show you my balance, guys. So I'm open, like I'm showing you everything that you're supposed to know. So you better watch this video until the end, and you better take the opportunity. All of you, I always share these things with you. Most of you, I don't know what you think, or I don't know. Most of you, that you are just lazy. All these things, there is no one who's gonna pay you for doing nothing. You have to follow the instructions, do what is required in you in order to get the rewards, okay, and withdraw. So you have to pay attention, you have to extra, like you have to be consistent, okay, and patient. So if you click on explore, guys, if you click on explore is right here, then it will show you something like this. Okay, so this is the instructions on how you can get that 0.3 Make token monthly. You click to join, so you can read that by yourself. You can read the instructions by yourself. Then another, so that is one, this is one way of getting more Make token. The next way of making, this is the, not even the, okay, this is the third one. The first one is you register, you do verification. This is where you will be doing your verification. If you do verification, yours will look like, it will be gray, but when it is approved, it will look like this. Let me show you. See, guys, my account is approved. You can see it is blue in color, but yours, immediately you submit your documents for verification, they will tell you to wait until 24 hours. But I also want to share with you something that will help you verify your account faster. So listen to the video. My battery is low, so let me do the video faster. So your account, your card should be blue when, like this, when it is verified. If it is not verified yet, it will be gray. I think that is well understood. So for you to claim all these rewards, or to start interacting or doing more, or even accessing the market, you have to verify your account first. And for you to get verified fast, please click on this area, go to customer care, where it is written agent support. Don't go to robot, agent support. Tell them, hello, I submitted my documents for verification and it has been too long. Just say it has been too long, you have not verified, so that they can check on it. Immediately they check on it, they will verify it after you have ended the conversation, or even within that day, or after some hours. So instead of it taking too long, 3 days, 1 week, 4 days or so, they will look into the matter, then try verify it as quick as they can. So that is the tip on how you can get verified so quickly. I hope that is well understood, guys. Oh my god, guys, I don't know whether you are seeing what I was doing. I don't know, because I realized that I muted the video. So if you didn't see how to get the one token that you are going to begin, which is $7, you're gonna click on this thing here, one Make token. I just did mine. I thought, guys, you are seeing me. So you're gonna click on this again, then you'll be able to see the claimable. I just claimed it. I muted the video. I didn't know. Then you click on claim blocks. My phone is going off, guys. That is why I'm trying to adapt. Is 1%. So after that, the more way is also to click on this area here, this area written, this area here, you can see, or invite. So if you invite, guys, you will be able to you just copy the link, and you can also copy that and you share with your friends. If you share with your friends, you're gonna get paid 0.1 Make token per verified user. So guys, it is well explained. It is well. If you want to access the even unicorn, also you can earn through unicorn. You can even see that, invite and earn. So guys, it is simple. It is simple. Get this free $7 by just verifying your account. See you up there, guys. And guys, I can advise you to keep more. You can leave it there to grow and grow and grow, because if start of last year, this coin was just $3, and right now, as I speak, it is $7. That is $4 more. for more. So to mean at the end of this year, it might even go up to $15. Who knows? You can even buy more and stake high if you want. So if you want to access other things, just go to these 3 lines over here, guys. You can see here. My phone is going off. Allow me to charge it. You can see if you want to access more. If you want to see wallet is here. If you want to see other things, your profile, go to this area here. Just go to this area, you'll be able to see everything. So guys, thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Make sure you join our WhatsApp group. Make sure you subscribe, you turn the notification bell on, and also like the video. See you soon in the next video. Let me charge my phone.